Hi everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to partner with Clover to bring you another fun project. Today we're going to be using Clover's mini weaving loom to make these adorable coasters. I just love how textural and fun they are, and they're so simple to make. And the beauty with this DIY is that you can use whatever color scheme that you have with the yarn and whatever roving wool you have lying around. So if you want to see the very simple way to make your own using Clover's mini weaving loom, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with some of Clover's products. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.